State Health Society NHM Manipur AMADI Directorate of Health Services MANIPURGA PUNDUNA Hotel Imphalda Stop Diarrhoea Campaign 2025 Pangthokhre Thoromasida Athoiba Mitunglen Oina Dr. Chambo Gonmai Director Health Services Government of Manipur Dr. M. Dinesh Singh State Mission Director State Health Society NHM Manipur and Hemanthakumar Singh Director Family Welfare Services Government of Manipur Ana Aribam Director Social Welfare Government of Manipur and G. Bogen Romite Director Education S Government of Manipur Sarukyaki Makatarakpada Dr. Chambo Gonmaina Fongdorakpada Angang Singna Ayambana Social Economic Condition da Laidiba Singsi Ayambana Diarrhoea dagi Makoigi Punsi Ten Kiba Kaya Lady Haina Tamki Aikoina Yariba Makai Guardian Singna Yengsin Biduna Angang Singbu Karam Haina Care Logadabano Haina Kupna Yengsin Ba Matautai Haina Fongdoki
Yabam Kay exclusive breastfeeding Hena Quena Haribisi the from say 0 to 6 months how we say Mama get home Pitakadam Mama I mean breast milk say 6 months Pitakadaba Adu the ising piva the quality Aduga Ate su crave the piva the quality Aduna only breast milk pigadaba Aduga tamna waning se to double. Adu already ngang se diarrhea du mohogi pensi mangloi. Adubu mohai se healthy way na legini. Adu se diarrhea to ko mohai pensi saki be yam legini. Adu na yam mohai di akoi care logi se lu na nana leba habisi yam daka we chinjak piba habisi tu yam clean way na Toga Pena Pizza Hebsi. Aduerdi Apena Sig mortality rate say Nakaga death rate say the Yamna Hantagani Doga Nang say healthy when a leg knee say